Ako, I think my first ever job, I think I could relate to Rene Boy. Ang first ever job ko was, alam niyo yung bench, hindi ba? Sales ano ko diyan, stock clerk ako sa bench Glorieta 5. Nasa stock room ako rather, nasa stock room ako and then oo, correct. So kapag may sales event sila, ang daming tao, they would prefer na yung mga stock clerk is also mag-roam around to help out the customers. And then 6 months, nag-endo ako. And then same with you din rin, Boy, ano, I've been seeing a lot of my my cousin's friends. My cousin is also working sa Sitel at that time. And naging interesado ko because lagi siyang may bagong gamit every 2 weeks, and then she would also treat me sa mga fast food restaurants, and saan kumukuha ng pera 'tong pinsan ko na 'to, yun ang nasa isip ko. And then ayun nga, nagkuwentuhan kami, nagsa-Sitel nga siya, call center, and then I asked more questions like, "Ano bang ginagawa diyan, blah, blah, blah," and kailangan pala ng English, right? So what I did back then is bumili ako ng English dictionary, yung Tagalog English. Nag-ano lang ako do'n, and then I formulated a sentence in Tagalog, and then I used the dictionary to translate the Tagalog into English, and then I practice as well. You know, super practice lang talaga. And then, I also faced, I think some rejections before I really got in sa isang company.